Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to YouTube from your phone. Now, I'm currently using an Android phone and the steps will be pretty much similar. You just need a few apps to actually do that. And you just need just one app to actually do that. Now, as you can see right here on my phone, I have YT Studio. And this is the app that you need to have on your phone, and you can easily find that from the App Store or Play Store. You just need to open it and search for YT Studio, right? Once you search for YT Studio, you will find it and you can install it. As you can see, I have it already. And I just need to open the app and, of course, sign in with my Google account, which you're able to do because you'll be able to sign in once you install a phone. Because you'll be able to sign in once you install the app. But once you have it, you can find your accounts or multiple accounts there. You'll be able to find them and you can even switch accounts right here. As you can see, in a moment, I have multiple accounts and I can switch between those accounts, right? Now, once you're in YT Studio, you can upload videos, right? And so if you look right here, you can see that I have a channel here. And if you look to the top, right, you will see a plus. And so this plus, if I tap on it, it's gonna now allow me to upload videos. And I can find videos in my phones because you can see it already start to access my gallery. And so I can just tap on a video that I want to upload right there and click on done. And you will see that it now pops up here with details here. I can put title right here, visibility. So I'm going to just call this one drive fast, for example. And let's say that's all that I want to do. I'm going to make the visibility. For now, I'm going to just not make it public, but I'm going to just make it private for now so I can test it further. But you get the general idea. You can set all of these once you're done and you just do that. Now I'm gonna just tap on the upload button right here. As you can see at the bottom, you can now tap upload. Here you'll choose if it's for kids or not, and you will just say not for kids, then tap on upload. And you can see right away the upload process actually starts. If I bring closer to you, you can see right over the video that it actually shows the upload icon. And the video is going to upload to the YouTube channel. As you can see, it says 3 minutes left right there. And see, it is done. And right here, so it's fast, right? So here the video upload. And so you can either do it you can either post it from here or you can private it from here, or you can do it directly. You can continue directly from your computer or whatever option you choose, but that's pretty much it. And as you can see right here, I can even tap on it and I can edit it further if I would like to. I have all of those details there. And so that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking for how to upload YouTube videos directly from your phone, again, you need to access the Play Store, App Store, and download this wonderful app called YT Studio or YouTube Studio. And you will be able to install it, sign in with your Google account, and you will be able to log into your channel. And you have so many things that you can check here in the app, not only to upload videos, but you can see the content, all the videos that you have, and so forth. You can see the analytics, all of the analytics stuff there. You can see your earnings, everything, the community. You can see everything that you need necessarily from a phone. And that's pretty much it. So check it out. YouTube Studio directly from the App Store, Play Store, install it, and you can use it to upload videos directly from your phone. You don't need to use a browser to go to a browser and sign it and do it that way. All you need is YouTube Studio or YT Studio on your phone, and that's pretty much all that you need right there, guys.